What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, moving on with the Senzo Meyiwa trial, there is a call that was made on 15 October 2014, and the witness who actually did the investigation on this call was pressed by the defense, to clearly point out how this call was really made. Was it made via WhatsApp call, or was it made by the traditional call that we all know about? So the witness actually said that the call was a WhatsApp call, but this actually shocked the defense, because a WhatsApp call was not present in 2014. It was not yet operating in 2014. So that's when the defense started accusing the state witness of fabricating the evidence, of which the witness then disagreed. But the witness then gave this explanation where he was clarifying and saying in 2014, Kelly Kumalo was transitioning from Blackberries and Blackberry Net was used. So the witness was sort of trying to equate Blackberry Net with using data, which is similar to WhatsApp call. So this was more of confusing the record as was being explained by the defense, in saying that these are two different things, BlackBerry and WhatsApp call, they're completely different. So the defense obviously was now saying that the witness, you're now trying to mislead the court by conflating different technologies. Obviously, that's when the witness then sort of backtracked, and said that in 2014 there definitely was no WhatsApp call, and if they referred to BlackBerry Net as WhatsApp call, it was because they see it as the same thing. So obviously this is a significant error, in identifying the availability of WhatsApp calls. So the witness assertion that a WhatsApp call occurred in October 2014 is obviously factually incorrect. WhatsApp calling features were introduced later on. So this major error severely damages the witness credibility and raises serious questions about the accuracy of their analysis and memory. And after this was then exposed, they attempt then to equate BlackBerry Net with WhatsApp call. Obviously, both they use data, but downplaying the distinct technological differences and the fact that WhatsApp voice calls it didn't exist at that time. It suggests a lack of precision or an attempt to reconcile their inaccurate statement. So it's sort of trying to backtrack, from the initial statement. But obviously, you are in court, and the defense is not going to allow you to do that. They are obviously going to keep on pressing you on your initial statement that you made. So, this was definitely a huge challenge for the state witness. Now, tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.